Hi everyone, today I am here with an unboxing of the Hermès Ex-Libris Bracelet. So let's go ahead and get started. So of course it comes in the iconic orange Hermès box. And inside we have a nice little black jewelry case. You can see the Hermès mark is embossed on the top, or stamped on the top, I should say. All right. Inside, at the top of the box, we have a nice felt padding with Hermès and 24 Faubourg, so the address of their famous store in Paris. And here we have the actual bracelet. So let me just stretch it out a little bit. Just turn everything around so that you can see it. So this bracelet is the small model. It comes in 18 karat rose gold with a 0.04 carat diamond here on the left-hand side. We have a nice little piece of Hermès heritage here. We have the house logo there. Then we have a nice little solid piece, the circle to balance it out. So let me go ahead and take it off. So this bracelet does come with a toggle closure, as you can see here. Like so. Let me turn it around so you can see the details a little bit more. So here we have the diamond. Again, that is 0.04 carats, so pretty small, but adds a nice little sparkle to it. On the other side, we have the rose gold circle. And in the middle, we have the Hermès house logo there, and again in rose gold. Hopefully that comes through well on the video. So this is definitely a nice piece of jewelry because it is 18 karat rose gold. The bracelet does retail for $2,800 US as of November 2020. It's a nice, elegant piece. It's not too flashy, but it definitely helps dress up in outfits, or even something that you can use on a more of a casual date. So this is the Hermès Ex-Libris small bracelet in rose gold. I'm going to go put this on my wife's wrist really quick, and we'll be right back to show you. All right, so here is the bracelet on my wife's wrist. Just going to zoom in slightly so you can see it, like so. This is actually the back of the pendant, so let me turn it around so you can get a good look at it. There you go. All right, and you can slowly rotate around so you see the diamond and the clasp at the back. Thank you. And then rotate around the other way. You can see the other little detailed piece there and the clasp. So definitely a very elegant bracelet, not too blingy, but still very, very classy. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.